Order both my books for athletes. The link is below.
My friends, it's Coach Vigue, like Vogue, but with an I, your official online yoga and Pilates instructor guy. All right, today we have a dynamic yoga flow. This is perfect. Perfect as a warm-up before practice, before a game, before your regular workout. We're gonna move the joints and the muscles through full range of motion. We're never gonna stop moving. Gonna have a good time, a lot of breath, and bringing out all that beautiful pliability in the body and the muscles. We gotta do this a lot too. And also mobility, flexibility, and durability, because you want your body to be durable. That's what we do here with Coach V, with me and you. It's a pleasure to have you today in this video. I'm talking too much. Check in below and let's get started. So much to do, so little time. All right, shirt is tucked in. We're gonna start standing with some slow flop downs. Again, we never stop moving during this whole routine. Let's shake out the arms and the legs. Keep it loose. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Improve your athletic performance on every level, physically and mentally. All right, arms up. We're gonna bend the knees slowly. Exhale down. Now inhale, rise back up. Stack the spine. Arms up. And then again, bring it down. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do 5 more. Get some mobility and heat in the back, in the legs, in the spine. 3 more. And 1 more time. Bring it down, up, take it to the side. Side bend, inhale, exhale. Let's do that 2 more times on each side. That sounds good. Of course it sounds good. I said it. And to the side, my friend. 1 more time. Pull that belly button in as you exhale. And exhale. And let's dive down, forward fold. Soften the knees a bit. Maybe your hands are up here, maybe they're down here, maybe they're down here. Let's walk the legs. Work from where you are. Tuck the chin. Let's do 10 more steps. 1, little twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, relax the shoulders. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, grab the opposite arm with each hand, bend the knees. Let's sway it back and forth. Let's loosen up the low back. Exhale to the side, inhale to the center. Use the breath, connect it with the movement. Get some mobility in the low back and decompress the spine. All right, inhale, rising up, chin to the chest, stack that spine. Lift, lift, lift. Let me give you the side view. We come up, 5 shoulder rolls. Lift, drop them back and down. Open up the whole anterior chain of the body. Belly button in. How many was that? 1 more time, yes. Okay, now come on down to a Garland squat. Take the feet wide, little diagonal. Hands can be on tops of the thighs, or forearms down, or bring the hands together. We're gonna gently sway side to side. As I said, we keep on moving. Full range of motion. Getting the joints ready, getting the muscles nice and warm, nice and pliable. Focus your breath, focus your mind. Good, side to side. If you like, take the hands down, rock it back and forth. In a moment, we're going to add a side lunge, side lunge. Feel this in the hips, in the glutes, in the low back. 1 more time, each side. All right, right leg out, I'll mirror you. Extend it out, hands down for support. Drop the shoulders down. Open this hip as much as you can. This is a side lunge. We're gonna go back and forth, side to side. Use the hands. So we come up and then over, other side. Take it slow if you like. If you wanna sit in the pose for a bit, let your body adapt, go ahead. Remember, it's your routine. It's your routine, my friend. You and your teammates and your coaches, do it together. Back and forth. You want a little bit more? Take the hands off the mat, hands together. More balance. Stay lifted in the core, in your center. Let's do it 2 more times each side. 1, And 1, 2, and 2. Excellent. Wide-legged stance. Take the left hand down. Inhale, right arm up. Join when you're ready. Back and forth. Inhale and exhale down. Reach across further if you like. Getting a lot of movement in your center, in your back. Good. And reach up. 2 more times each side. Remember, it's dynamic, it's always moving, it's always changing, it's functional. Okay. And 1 more time. Up, dive down, grab the opposite arm with each hand and rock it side to side. Soften the knees. Tuck the chin, let the neck be loose. And once more, Garland, pick your variation. I'm going to take the hands down. If you like, you can also take them back behind you. Definitely stretching and opening the chest and the shoulders. Let's do it 10 more times, side to side. 1, 2, 3. You see these poses mimicking a lot of movements you do in sports, in any sort of athletics. I also call this one the catcher's squats. There you go. All right, 1 more time each side. Forgive my counting. Oh, Coach Vigue doesn't count with the best of them. I got a B in algebra though. All right, cat-cow, hands and knees position. Tell you what, first of all, let's sit up, 5 shoulder rolls. I always like to reset that posture up there. Keep it loose, drop the shoulders down and back, open the chest. So the breath flows in and out. 2 more times. As you exhale, pull that belly button into the spine, activate and vacuum out the abdominals, increasing your oxygen uptake ability. Hands and knees position. Inhale, round up into cat. Tuck the chin. You want to stretch and articulate the spine. This is the one, along with this one. Drop the stomach down. Look forward. We have cow. 4 more of each. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch that spine again. Round up. Exhale, drop down. Very nice. 2 more of each one. How does that feel on your spine? You want to always be rehabbing. Rehab the body. Keep it strong, keep it durable for many, many years. All right, there's cow. Now the bird dog, 20 times, hands and knees position. Inhale, opposite arm, opposite leg. Exhale down. Here's 2, 3, 4. Eyes are focused. 5, building balance and core strength. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 more. 11. We got it. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now shift your weight forward. Come on down onto your stomachs. Hands under the shoulders. Lift up. Cobra. Open the chest. Stretch the back. Legs are back. Now lower down. Press back. Child's pose. Lengthen the spine. Let's do 3 more of each. We come forward. Down. Cobra. Getting some movement and circulation in the back. And then we stretch it all out. Stretch it out, lengthen it out. 2 more of each. You can come all the way up if you like. Up dog. Drop the shoulders back, squeeze the glutes. Stretch. Maybe some adjustments along the way. And once more. Good. Nice. Pliable spine. Back to child's pose. Take an extra breath. Okay, downward facing dog. We're almost there. Stay with me. We do it together. We have such a good time training together. And you can hit the ground running. So,
Sink towards the heels. Let's walk the legs 10 times, a little twist. 1, 2, relax the shoulders. 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the sequence I could not wait to teach, to do with you. This is a down dog scorpion to pigeon. So bring the right leg up and open. Open up and out. So inhale, lift, exhale, open to your left. Now exhale, right knee comes forward, slide the left leg back. This is up to you how far you want to bring that right foot forward comfortably, right over the center, and then lift tall. This is a proud pigeon. Oh, hips opening, glutes opening, opening up the back. Now hands down, step back, other side. Left leg up and over. The down dog scorpion. Sink that right heel down. So we stretch and open up the front of the body. Left knee forward, pigeon. Find it first. Again, over the center, lift. Extra breath. Slide the right leg back, hip flexor stretch. Good. Okay, up. Let's do 2 more times on each side. Right leg open. Press into the palms. Stretch the shoulders, the triceps. Forward, pigeon, lift. If you want more, you can do a king pigeon. That means the arms come up like so, really working the core. That's up to you. My mat is slipping and sliding. All right, back, left leg up and over. Extra breath. And up and pigeon or king pigeon. Good, let your body be very adaptable. Adaptable and pliable. Right leg up and over. Forward. I am king pigeon. Always reminds me of the Flash Gordon movie for some reason. Left leg up and over. There's the scorpion. Lift and tilt to your right. All right. Left leg forward. Proud or king. Slide that right leg back. Very important. Get some movement in the hip flexor. All right, my friends. Now, step back, down dog. Give me a Vinyasa flow. This is the basis of power yoga from down dog. Inhale, shift your weight forward. Hands, shoulders lined up. Keep pressing forward and lower down. Elbows into the sides, hover. Inhale, Cobra or up dog. Drop the shoulders, and then exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your left foot forward. We'll finish with this movement here. It's a little split series. It is dynamite. It is dynamic. Slide that right knee back. We're gonna rock forward with the inhale. Exhale, take it back. This is called runner's lunge. Pull the toes towards you. Come down as far as you like. Hands are down for support. Inhale forward. You feeling this? Hamstrings, quads, core, getting that lovely movement. Remember, yoga is always right here for you. It's accessible. It's so easy to find a spot. You just need a mat or just a spot on the ground that's comfortable, and you can do a whole world of movement. All body weight. Okay, let's do 2 more of each one. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. 1 more time each one. Good. Keep me posted below how this helps your practice and your performance. Step back to plank, press forward, Vinyasa flow, and then we'll finish on the other side. So down dog. Bring the right foot forward. We have low lunge. The transitions, keep them as smooth as possible. The mat just wants to keep going backwards. When you're ready, start that movement. Inhale, forward, exhale back. Good. Durable body. More resistant to injury. Whew. And forward. Knee a little bit past the toes, that's good. And let's do one more, or two more, rather, of each one. Here we go. And back. And once more, forward. Stretch it back. And let's cap it off. One more Vinyasa flow. Plank, forward, down. Whole body working as a unit, getting involved. The blood is pumping, the mind is sharp. Back to down dog. Take a breath. All right, my friends. Hope you like that. I'm Coach Vigue, remember Vogue but with an I, your official online YouTube yoga and Pilates instructor guy. Check in below with requests, questions, and feedback. I'd love to train with you. Let me know how this helped. And if you want the on-the-go manuals to go along with these workouts, well, they are right here.
The link to order both books is below.
Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.